I'm going to make an easy breakfast strata, and it'll go in the refrigerator overnight. In the morning, I'll take it out for about an hour and bake it. So let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, we're going to start with the milk. I'm going to blend 6 eggs into this and a teaspoon of dry mustard. So let's get this mixed up. After I get this blended well, then we'll go to the stove and cook our vegetables. Cooking can be messy. Okay, melting the butter, and we're going to cook the vegetables. I already pre-cooked my sausage and crumbled it yesterday. So after I cook the vegetables, I just have to add the sausage in and heat it up. I'm on a medium heat. I'll start with the onion. Poblano peppers. I really like poblano peppers. I've been using them a lot instead of bell pepper. I do have some red bell pepper. We'll saute this a bit just to soften. The vegetables need to cook a little more. It's time to add the sausage. This is 1 pound of cooked crumbled pork breakfast sausage. I just used Jimmy Dean. But of course, it's your choice as to which sausage you use. Mix this well and get the sausage heated up. Okay, now I'm going to layer the vegetable meat mixture on top of the bread. Just spread it out evenly. The difference between a breakfast bread pudding and a strata is simply the layering. A breakfast bread pudding is mixed all together and then put into the pan, while the strata is layered with the bread, sausage, vegetables, and cheese. I used Assaggio cheese bread from my local bakery and just cut it into small chunks. In with the cheese. I do like my sharp white cheddar by Tillamook. It melts so good. It's such a good cheese. Now in with the egg mixture over the top. Now I'm going to cover it with foil, put it in the refrigerator overnight, and I'll take it out for 1 hour prior to baking. So here we are the next morning. It cooked for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. Doesn't this look good? Now we're going to let it sit for about 5 minutes before we cut it. If you have guests over the holidays, you know you're going to need to prepare breakfast or brunch. Well, this allows you not to waste time in the kitchen when you could be visiting. You can prepare this the night before and pop it into the oven the next morning. There's not a lot of cleanup because you've done it all the previous day. It really is a time saver. What you put in this dish or on top of it is up to you. There's all kinds of combinations I can think of. It'll just depend on you and your family's taste. Give this a try and let me know what you think. Now you can find the printable recipe on our new website, darlenestable.com. And thanks for joining me today. Come back soon. I have many more recipes. You are always welcome at Darlene's Table.